I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Mi Band 8 with your phone. First, ensure your Mi Band 8 is fully charged, ideally to 100%, before beginning the pairing process. Next, download the official MyFitness application from your phone's App Store. Finally, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled and keep your Mi Band 8 within a few feet of your phone for a smooth connection. Once the app is installed, open it and either log in or create a new account. Within the application, tap on the Add Device option, then select Mi Band 8 from the list of available devices. Your phone will then send a pairing request. Confirm this request on both your phone and directly on your Mi Band 8 screen to complete the connection. If you encounter any issues during the connection process, don't worry. A common solution is to simply restart both your phone and your Mi Band 8. If problems persist, try clearing the MyFitness app's cache or even reinstalling it. Also, ensure no other devices are currently connected to your Mi Band 8, as this can interfere with the new pairing. After successfully connecting, explore the MyFitness app to personalize your experience. You can choose from hundreds of watch faces and track various activities like walking or swimming. Customize notification settings to receive alerts from your favorite applications. Remember to keep your Mi Band 8's firmware updated for optimal performance and to access all the latest features and improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.